This is from Carol Ann N on Facebook. Can I cook a chuck roast on top of the stove? Of course, after I sear in the juices.
Yeah, of course. You can cook anything low on the stovetop or in the oven. I find it easier to put it in the oven. I don't really understand crock pots because everybody has an oven. All you gotta do is put the oven on 275 instead of put the crock pot on whatever. And I don't have a lot of room any place. We've stored stuff most of our lives. We just haven't had room. But yeah, sure, you can simmer. On the stovetop, the liquid will evaporate probably a little quicker on you, so keep an eye on the liquid level. You're gonna need to maybe add a little extra water or stock. But of course, you can cook over low heat on top of a stove or in a stove. I think it's more even and less of a pain to babysit if you just throw it in the oven, but yes, it will work, and you can braise on top of the stove and in the oven.